it's Hannah with WTI here with some Hollywood stars by Starboling. We recently had a talent show and I wanted all of our acts to feel extra special, so we had a nice Hollywood walkway with each of their own Hollywood stars. It was just a really cool thing to do for each act to feel a little bit special and add a little bit extra decoration. When you add these to the floor, it looks pretty cool. These things are really nice quality. They come with a marker, and the marker does a really good job of making a dark black line on these, so the names really do stand out. Once we got to the event center, we put these on the floor. The sticky is really good, and they stuck completely flat to the floor, almost like they blended in with the floor itself. But you don't have to worry about when you have to go pull these up. They also were very easy to pull up. A couple of them ripped in a couple places just because we were yanking them up at the end of the show, but they all came up easy. We didn't need a razor blade or cleaner or anything. So I love how these look like glitter and sparkles. Such a cool thing to do at your next event. So if you want to make all of your acts feel a little extra special, I highly recommend these Hollywood stars, but that's just my point of view.